Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is CharlesLee and I am seasoned real estate broker with One Group Realty in Fullerton, California. Are you dreaming of buying your first home this year? Well, you're in the right place. In these videos, I will break down everything you need to know to make your home buying journey smooth and successful. Let's get started. First thing first, financial readiness. Start by checking your credit score today. This is super important because it directly impacts the kind of mortgage rate you'll qualify for. Next, create a realistic budget. Look at your income, expenses, and savings. Remember, in 2025, housing prices and mortgages rate are already shifting, so it's key to know what you can afford. Then, get pre-approved for a mortgage. Why? It's not just a piece of paper. Pre-approval gives you a clear idea of your price range and shows the sellers that you are a serious buyer. It will give you a big advantage when making an offer. Next up, do your homework. Research the market. Tools like Zillow, Redfin, and your local MLS are great for tracking pricing trends and finding homes in your area. But don't stop there. Drive around the neighborhoods, visit open houses, and explore areas you're interested in. Seeing home in person is priceless. And here is a pro tip. Make a must-have list. Think about your lifestyle. Do you need a home office? Is being close to schools or public transportation a priority? Focus on what really matters to you and your family. It will help you stay focused when you are house hunting. Now let's talk about your team. A trusted real estate agent like me can make all the differences. I will personally help you navigate the complexity of buying a home, negotiate the best deal, and avoid costly mistakes. Remember, a great agent works for you. Also, don't forget about other key professionals like home inspectors and lenders. Having the right people in your corner ensure that your home buying experiences is smooth and your investment is secured. Well, you found your dream home. Congratulations. Now it's time to make an offer. In 2025, we are still seeing low inventories and high demand in Southern California, and you have to be very competitive. So be ready to act quickly. Work with your agent to craft a strong, strategic offer that stands out. Once your offer is accepted, the closing process begins. This includes appraisals, inspections, and signing all necessary paperwork. Don't worry, I'll be there with you every step of the way to ensure everything goes smoothly. And that's it. Your dream home is within reach. I hope this guide has given you for confidence to start your journey. If you're in Southern California, I'd love to help you find the perfect home. Let's work together to make your dream a reality. If you find this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more real estate tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye now.